looking for doing something in Premiere Pro, editing a video? Well, you're in the right place, and subscribe to my videos and we will help you do that. Do subscribe to A's Design Studio and you'll be a pro. Hi, this is Premiere Pro CC, and these are the menus that you will use. This is your properties window. Here you will see what's happening to your videos that you put or clips that you put on the timeline, which is this over here. You have your library and all your files you can see over here. Import clips that you put on the timeline. Press on the file, import, and select your folder. I'm going to use Gear, PNG, and open. This is your project bin, and to select your media files, you press Control, and you can select all the media files that you want to put in on the timeline. You just drag the files and put them on the timeline here. To insert text, simply go to the type tool. You can have a vertical or a horizontal type, and type in, so I'm going to type in windmill pulley system, and with the help of your arrow tool you can try and see the whole thing. You can move it to whatever position you want. You can actually manipulate it from the effects control panel by moving it left, right, or up and down, or you can scale it from 0 to whatever size you want, and then you can also rotate it up and down. To use the effects control panel and use put keyframe, press on the circle button here, and you can see a keyframe appears, and add another keyframe and change the position, so the position goes maybe down and across a bit, so your animation will move from left to right. To insert shape, go to Graphics, New Layer, and either rectangle or ellipse, and then the ellipse will appear. You can resize it the way you want it. You can also drag it and put it in position the way you want it. It can be full size, small size, whatever you desire. You can drag and drop text over it as it's done over here. Inserting graphic from the library, just go to the Essential Graphics panel and your browser. Get graphics from the Adobe stock, or if you have your own templates, you can bring those as well. There are free as well as pre-paid graphics as well. What I used for this pulley and string was the call out. So I'm going to select the call out and then simply drag it on top of my timeline. And I will type Premiere Session 3, and that's your main text. And I want to also type in the optional text as Module 3 Graphics. Change the origin for your X position. End by